Hello everyone, this is Jagjit Singh Panesar from HSP Construction. Welcome to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for all your support, and whoever subscribed my channel, thank you very much, and who is still behind, please subscribe my channel. And in this video we're gonna talk about doors actually. It's gonna be pretty exciting video. So what happens sometime when we go to store or a supplier to get a door, right? Sometimes sometimes you get mixed up with the left in swing, right in swing, or right out swing, or left out swing, right? And so suppose you wanna buy left out swing, right? And by mistake you get a left in swing. So what happens? So when you get at the job site and you find out, oh my god, this is what happened. So what you gonna do now? So here is this video is gonna be really helpful for you guys and whoever and whenever this kind of situation happen with you. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to remotize the hinge group, or you can reverse it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So please stay tuned and watch. Thank you very much again, and please subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share the video, and stay tuned. Thank you.
थोड़ा खाके भी मैं खाली ये सेक दे पूरे पार खुमारी ये लते फेंक दे सोने बात दा परेता है का खोलता खाली लंग देना बेरे यार पानी पक्की बातों में